class. Today's lesson, I am obviously not here, but I'm going to leave you some stuff to do on Tinkercad. So if you follow the instructions in this video, I'll show you how to find Tinkercad, how to log in, and how to use Tinkercad. So first of all, open up a web page, go to Google and type Tinkercad, all one word. Tinkercad. Press enter. It should be the first one there. That's the one we choose. Let's go to that. So when you get to this page, the first thing you want to do is sign in. So you don't have to click join, but click sign in. It will open a page that looks like this, and you are to click this, students, join your class. And it's going to ask you to type in a class code. So I'll switch over to the other window and show you. So there you go, that's the class code. So if you want to pause the video now so you can jot that down, you do that. Once you've got the class code down, it's going to ask you for your nickname, and that's what you use to sign in. So that's this column here. So pause the video at the appropriate place so you can read your name. I'll scroll now. So if you need to pause it, do that now so that you can see your username. Okay, once you're signed into Tinkercad, you should end up with a page that looks kind of similar to this. I've done a lot of designs in Tinkercad. As you can see here, you won't have any if you're only using it for the first time. So what I want you to do, I want you to go up here under Learn. Click the Learn button. It will bring you to the page where there's tutorials on how to use this. So start here. Start with the starters. We can see 4, but if we click See All Starters, there's, 7 tutorials that you go through. So the tutorials kind of look like this. So we click on the tutorial, it should open. And what you've got here is a work plane. We've got tools down on the right hand side. There's a couple of tools along the top. There's viewing tools here. And here's your instructions for the tutorial. So read this, do everything that it says, then you click next. And it sometimes leads you through lots of steps to complete whatever the task is at the time. If at any time you finish or you don't know where you're up to, you lose your place, the Tinkercad dashboard is what you click. You click that and it'll always bring you back to Tinkercad, back to the dashboard. Now this is your task. Underneath, we're actually going to make a keyring. It looks kind of similar to these things that I've got here. So we click Learn. By this stage, you would have completed all these tutorials. If you haven't, pause the video now, go and complete them. Then come back, and this time we're going to click Lessons. And see all lessons. Now there's a bunch of things here, but the one you're looking for is called a keyring. That's it down here, keyring. And a little bit like before, you click on it, it's got instructions that will lead you through. And then once that's completed, we can 3D print. So I'll let you do that now. You pause this video and go and complete that. All right, once you've gone through the tutorial, you would have similar to this. We need to export this for 3D printing. Obviously, you're not going to be able to print that until I get back, but you can send the file to me so it's all ready to go. First thing you should do is highlight all these letters you don't need and press delete. Hopefully you've worked out or remembered through the tutorials. If you needed two of the same letter, you can copy and paste. Copy and paste buttons up here. So you can do duplicates of the same letter. But what we need to do, that whatever colours that are set here, the 3D colours, it prints one colour. And that depends on what we put into the printer, not what is on the screen here. So select everything, drag a box around everything. We're going to hit the group button. You'll notice everything will become the same color, which is what you want. And now we're going to click export. STL. It will ask you to save the file somewhere. So I always save it to my desktop so I can easily find it. So I click save. That's saved on my desktop. Not sure whether you might not be able to see my desktop on this video. But then what I do, I go to click compose, type in my name, Marty Lawrence at ncs.nsw.edu.au. Minimize your window. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this on this video. And find your file. So I can see it on my desktop. I don't think you can see it, but I'm going to drag that from the desktop into this area. Wait for it to do its thing here, then click send, and I will get that. I'm obviously not going to send myself that email. That would be just silly. Let's go back to Tinkercad. This will save all your work automatically. So as soon as I click the dashboard, it's saving. We'll go back to the dashboard. If you have got time, go to Learn, Lessons, and see if you can make yourself some Minecraft party glasses. Follow the tutorial, see if you can make them. If you get, and of course I could 3D print that for you, I think. You can try and send me the file anyway. Now if you get that done as well, there's plenty of other lessons on here that you can try. You will be being marked on this, so do take it seriously, and I'll be looking at the quality of the files that you send me. So there's plenty of things here we could try. Some of these we could 3D print. It's up to you.